When I fish, I feel like happy and calm and like just feels nice to be outside, peaceful. I just love it. And it just makes me feel happy, excited when we catch one. Angry when we get a snake. Or annoyed when we keep losing our worm to the bass.
All right, carry on.
When I go fishing with my granny, it's usually go to the cam, maybe go to Pie Island if the wind's good. When we hit the waves, it's fun. When we're going fast, singing on the front, because we go having the wind go through your hair. Just looking at nature.
Go get him.
How deep are the fish?
Probably, 7 to about 9 feet. Okay.
I can feel them. They tug, and as soon as they get it, they actually get on the hook. They pull. I heard like a little beaver behind that log.
Oh yeah, there's the little head. Oh. Lots of geese.
So much geese poop.
Calming nature.
Oh, got one. Oh, it's a little bass. There we go. Stop flopping, you. They get so annoying when they do this. First fish of the day.
Yeah. How do you feel?
Pretty good. This year the salmon are getting big. My YouTube channel, it started off with my granny filming and posting.
Hey, run it up.
My most popular video, it got over 10,000 views. 100%. So there's fish here, I know that. It started when I was about 5. I caught a 8-pound walleye, and that started it up.
We're walking.
Took 15 minutes to reel that in. This is how you hold them.
Young Jack Hardy also captured this beautiful walleye.
Yes, I was on the Weather Network.
He knows more about fishing than most adults.
12 different times I've been on there.
5-year-old Jack caught this beast.
No! Oh, stop her, Jack!
I've never caught a fish that big.
It's never really about competition, just about having fun. My lucky lure, it's like neon green. That's pretty much what I caught most of my salmon on out in the Nepean River. It's where I caught my personal best fish and personal best pike. It was 18 lbs or pounds. It was huge.
Whoa, that's a nice one, Jack. Bring him in now. Muscle him over here.
That's a nice one. In the future, I would like to start a bigger YouTube channel, get more views, get more popular. Probably be a fishing guide. My TV show would probably be Fishing with Jack or
Oh, little guy. Throw him back.
that's pretty much it.
Okay. All right. I guess he's packing her in 2 fish for the day.
That's what it usually is. Every time I come here, I usually catch 2
I
fish.
know.
That was my second perch of the year.
Okay. Can you have some nachos? You looking tired.
Yeah.
Well, are you done fishing for the day?
100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 1 So my papa taught me like how to cast, how to troll, how to drive a boat, how to put a bobber on, tie a line, put a hook on a swivel, put worms on jigs. He taught me like pretty much everything about fishing I know. And how to be patient.
Oh, the cow.
That's a big bite. Oh, my arms are sore.
You gotta hold your tip way up in the air.
He's just funny, goofy once in a while.
Well, he bit your big fish. Okay, scrape that out.
Just
Hold the knife straight like this.
happy to be fishing. If I was a fish, the species I would probably want to be would be a pike, so I don't get eaten. I'll just swim around, eat anything, try and bite someone. Kind of sounds weird to like me, but then when you think about it, I'll probably eat a tree branch, or frogs, probably flies, little bass, little perch, little walleye, little everything. I think that they just see it and like, ooh, that looks tasty.